Hi YouTube. I'm so happy today. I got my webkinz signature marble cat in the mail today. I love her. She's so fluffy and she looks like my old cat, Muffin, so that's what I'm gonna name her. I'm gonna name her Muffin after my old cat. So, ain't she cute? Yeah, I love her so much. Anywho, my webkinz, I just gave an extra Rocker's cow and my extra pink poodle to my friend for her birthday, so they're no longer available for trade, so I'll make another video when I have some more webkinz for trade. Okay, so I'll see you in Muffin's adoption video. Bye.